Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can auto-hide the taskbar when you enter any app. If your taskbar is static like this every time, then it may be annoying as it will be taking up spaces when you enter any app. So, if you want to hide this particular taskbar whenever you enter any app, then you need to follow these particular steps. First, let's go to the settings. Now, once you are in the settings, you need to click on the personalization tab. In the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and click on the taskbar option. In the taskbar, you can see the taskbar behaviors option. Simply click on it and it will open a lot of behaviors. And what we need to enable or tick is this particular option right here, which says automatically hide the taskbar. Simply turn on this toggle and here you can notice that the taskbar is suddenly hidden, and it will work that way for any of the apps. Now to access the taskbar again, all you need to do is drag your cursor at the bottom of your screen and then you can access the taskbar right again. It works for every application and it also works quite fluently. Now you know how to enable the automatic hiding of taskbar in Windows 11. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.